is possible, create a 4 by 4 matrix having a rank of 4. If not, explain why it's not possible. Okay. Now, the possible ranks that you can have are always limited. Okay. Your rank must always be greater than or equal to 0. And as we saw in the lesson, rank is also limited by the number of rows, which of course limits the number of non-zero rows you can have in your row-reduced echelon form, and the number of columns, which limits the number of leading ones you can have. So, but as long as this is true, as long as this result is true for the rank that you're proposing and the dimensions you're after, you can still create a matrix with that rank. So what have we got here? We need the rank here, 4, to be less than or equal to the minimum value between 4 and 4, which is just 4. So I guess what we're asking is 4 less than or equal to 4? It is. So this should be possible, at least based on the theory, but we now have to create such a matrix. Okay? So what are we going to do? There's lots of ways to do this, and there's lots of right answers. But I find the easiest thing to do, because they weren't that specific, all they want is a 4 by 4 matrix. Let's make one that's already row reduced. That way we can very easily tell if we've got the right rank. So I need 4 rows and 4 columns. Now the rank is 4. So that means every single one of these columns will have to have a leading 1. So let's put those in. And as soon as we put a 1 in, we'll put zeros in the rest of the column. Now, thanks to the staircase rule, about being in row-reduced echelon form, which again, I would like to remind you, you don't have to make a matrix in row-reduced echelon form. It's easiest to find the rank this way. So our next one will have to be down here. Put zeros above and zeros below. Put another one down here. And when we look at that, we've created the 4 by 4 identity matrix. Now, of course, this isn't the only possible answer. Any matrix that row reduces to the 4 by 4 identity matrix will also have rank 4. That's the definition of rank. But we do this because it's very easy to see, aha, you've got 4 leading ones, the rank is 4, you answered the question correctly. So this is a 4 by 4 with rank 4, and that's what they asked for.